Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And I'm really excited to do this review on this watch face by this developer. He goes by the name of ACD, and the name of the watch face is called ACD 89. Very awesome looking watch face. If you don't know this developer, please check out his work in the Gear Manager store. He's also doing a giveaway here, right? He's donating some watch faces to you all for Canada, for the UK, and for the US people. Now, on top of that, I am going to ask him to give me some more watch faces for all the other countries. So look, trust me, this guy is awesome. He's just as awesome as SMZ. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Now, looking at the watch face, right? This is inspired by the CT6. Trust me, I know, right? Now, in always on mode, you're going to get the same look pretty much for the most part. For the Gear S3, for the Gear S2, it is going to look slightly different, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem, right? When the watch face is on, I like this two-tone look. It looks elegant. It looks sharp. I like the detailing of everything. I like that he has his name at the top as well, and it has watch faces. But the index looks nice as well. You got a nice grill. It's an analog watch face with a nice second hand going around the bezel of the watch. You also get your date, which is nice. We need the date. And if you double tap right here, you can get information on your step goals completed, your miles walked or ran, your heart rate, and your battery. Now, when the battery is green, that pretty much means that you're near 100%, right? When the battery is yellow, that means you're around 50%, and you need to be mindful of your charge. And when it's red, you're really near being depleted. So make sure you're near a charger so you can power back up. All right, so if you don't want that up, just double tap and you can close it right back down. And then he also gives you an option to change the watch face colors. That one's nice. I like that one. Let's cycle through all of them just so you can get an idea of what you're going to be in for when you win and or when you download this watch face. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Share the video with others and make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.